Okay, so what we're going to do is we have to make the scripts for energy flow. So basically, if we go here in worksheets, energy flow practitioner worksheets, exercise scripts, in the source folder or in the PDF folder, you will notice there are almost 83 worksheets, right? So we already have these, I'm sorry, 83 scripts. We already have these scripts. We need to curate scripts for the remaining exercises. So the scripts are done till body mind communication, and we have to curate from body mind communication. Then we have meridian, trauma release, pain relief, and emotional regulation. So let me give you an example of how exactly a script is for energy flow. So first we have the title, then we have a little paragraph saying what exactly this exercise is, how is it going to help us, and all of that. Then we have the main script, which is the steps of this particular exercise, how to get this done, how to do the exercise. And then finally, we have the reflection questions. So I'll show you how to curate the script from scratch. But let me first show you where exactly you will find all this information. So to begin with, the name of the exercise, you will find it in the list which will be shared with you. So in that particular list, you will see what exercise it is, and then accordingly, you'll number it as well. If you notice, we have numbers, right? So the last one is 83. So the next exercise, which is the meridian exercise, it will have 84 and 85, 86, 87, and so forth. So that's how we're going to do it. Now, for this content, which is the introduction, what we can do is we can open the slide deck for that particular module, for that particular exercise, basically. The slide deck, you'll find it in Energy Flow Practitioner, like events, and then Energy Flow Practitioner folder. Therein, you'll have to go to January 2025. In that, go to slides and then source, and then final day by day slides. And we'll have to check in which module that particular exercise was covered. So, as far as I remember, this particular exercise, mm, it would have been covered in module 3. So basically, in any module you open the slide deck, take some time to feel. So you open it. Okay, it's open now. So once you open the slide deck, you'll see that if I open any exercise, just to give you an idea. So we start with meridian. Okay, let's check pain relief first. So, from here the pain relief exercises start. So we'll open the first exercise, which is muscle meridian pain. It is the first exercise in pain relief response. The list which will be given to you, you'll see that this is the first exercise there, which is muscle meridian pain matching. Now, all you have to do is take this information, this particular information, and you will put it right here, this space. So this is basically an introduction. If you read it, you'll notice that it gives a brief introduction about what it is. So muscle meridian pain matching identifies and matches pain with specific meridian points to release tension and restore balance. Pretty simple, right? So this is exactly what you're supposed to do. Just copy this, paste it there. And then the next thing, which is steps, you can find the steps in slide deck as well, but I would recommend you go to this summary table. The summary table again, you go to Energy Flow Practitioner. You will notice worksheets. In worksheets, you'll have summary tables, and then in summary tables, you can open source folder or the PDF folder. So for pain relief, you will see this is the pain relief summary table. Let's open this. Okay, perfect. So now, see, this is the very first exercise. And again, you'll notice that the definition is given here as well. I wouldn't say it as a definition. I would say it is an introduction part. So basically, it gives an introduction about the exercise, right? So you can just copy this as well, and you can use this as the introduction. And I would recommend you copy the steps from here in the summary table and then paste it there. Cool. Now, the final part of this particular script is the reflection questions, right? So these reflection questions, you can find it here. Again, in the same folder, Energy Flow Practitioner January 2024. This is a different folder. So basically, this is previous year's folder. You open that folder, you go in slides, in master slides, and then you will find this particular folder which says master slide with reflection questions added. If you open it, this particular slide deck will open, and then here it is, the meridian, muscle meridian pain matching. You have to search it up, look it up because it has all the exercises. So once you search it up, you'll notice that it has steps, benefits, and these are the reflection questions. These are the reflection questions for muscle meridian pain matching. Okay, now you have an idea about where to get all the information from. Let me demonstrate how exactly we do it so that it gets clearer. Let me download this exact same exercise. We'll do enable editing. Then first, to begin with, I have the name of the exercise, which is muscle meridian pain matching. I'll copy this, we'll paste it here, fix the formatting, then I'll go to this particular point, copy this, I'll put it as an introduction, fix the format, and then I'll go and edit this as well. So mustn't be editing. Fix the format. And also make this now. Next thing are the steps, right? So I'll just copy the steps carefully from here and paste it here. So what I'll do is a simple way to do it is just copy, just download this particular Excel, open the summary table, see, this is much easier actually. Just paste it here. So now we have the steps in, we have the introduction in, the last part is the reflection questions. Now for the reflection questions, I will go to the master slide, which is basically here. Take this reflection questions. Now I have my script ready. So it is all well and good. The final thing which I do is I change the footer as well. So the footer will be maybe will be matching. And always remember to put the date on which you are editing the document, or else the date on which you're curating the document. Another thing is I'll also change the number. Now, since I don't know which particular number this exercise would be, I'm just going to put 84. But you have to make sure that whatever number you put there is aligned with what the previous exercise number is. So that is one thing to keep in mind. Another thing is to put 4. This is good. And last thing is saving the document. You're going to save the document with whatever the footer is, should be the name of the document. And I'll save it here. I'm putting this particular document right here in the worksheets folder. I'll just rename it as, I'll just create a folder here. Mhm. So now it is right here in the Dropbox, and that is how you create a script.